Best pump I've ever had in the desert. So you want to keep your rest times real short. If you're going to the gym, why not maximize the only 3 science-backed ways you can build muscle? How about ace of an inch? Yo, Troy Addison here, co-founder of Elfline, founder of superhumanfitness.com. And today we are putting the balloon method to the test. I promise you guys bigger biceps in only 15 minutes on the title of the video. So I'm gonna bust out the tape measure right now and we're gonna see how much bigger my biceps get in only 15 minutes from a balloon method workout. So of course, if you're new here, the balloon method maximizes the only 3 science-backed ways your body builds muscle in 15 minutes or less per workout. And let's measure my biceps right here before the workout starts. So got it nice and sealed. We are at about 17.25 inches. So today's bicep workout is gonna be 15 minutes, 7 total sets of pure insanity. And before I get started, I gotta take my favorite stim-free pre-workout. It's about 5 p.m. So I'm gonna go with a caffeine-free pre-workout. This is my favorite stim-free pre-workout by far. Superhuman Pump by my company Elfline. Use Troy10 at elfline.com for a 10% discount. You guys gotta try this if you take stim-free pre-workout. So I'm gonna dry scoop it here. Just gonna do a half serving. Delicious. Woo! Superhuman Pump in my system, and let's begin. So we're gonna go 3 total sets. Supinated curl drop set. I'm gonna walk you guys through the form. So I'm starting off with 30s on this, and then I'm gonna drop the weight down to 20s. So we're gonna go no rest between, 12 total reps each part of the drop set. So I'm gonna keep my elbows in tight, and let's begin. So the main part here is on the way up, you're gonna squeeze that crease in your elbow as hard as you can. On the way down, show you guys the form real quick before I get into it. So I'm squeezing right here. On the way down, squeezing my triceps. So squeezing the crease in your elbow, down slow and controlled, and fully extend where you actually tense your tricep. So activate that horseshoe, stretch your bicep. So let's go. I'm gonna go the full set now. Come on. Keep those elbows in nice and tight. So drop the weight about 30%, right into it, 12 more. And don't ego lift on this, guys. I can do 60 to 70 pounds doing hammer curls with pretty mediocre form. I started off with 30s, and I'm at 20 pounds right now on the second leg of the drop set. So really focus on getting that squeeze on both parts of the rep. So at the top, you're squeezing the crease in your elbow. At the bottom, you're squeezing those triceps nice and hard. That's gonna stretch the bicep. Oh yeah. Come on. Best pump I've ever had in the desert. So you wanna keep your rest times real short. Rest times 75 seconds on this drop set. So we're gonna go 3 total sets here. Now we're maximizing metabolic stress. We're doing some good old fashioned time under tension, light weights. We're doing squat curls here. So this is actually gonna mimic a preacher curl. It's gonna hit more of the short head, where the last exercise worked more of the long head, because the elbows are in front of our body. So we're going 2 total sets here. 45 seconds time under tension, gonna be anywhere between like 15 and 20 reps, depending on how fast your reps are, and only 60-second rest time. Let's begin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So the big thing with this, you wanna keep that bicep under tension the entire time. You don't wanna rest at the bottom, you don't wanna rest at the top. Keep that bicep under tension, really focus on the squeeze and keeping a nice mind-muscle connection through every single portion of the rep. Finishing strong, guys, we got 2 total sets of Confusion Curl 21. 7 reps of 3 different unique bicep movements to hit every single portion of our biceps. So first off, we're doing pronated curls. That means palms facing down. It's gonna hit the brachialis in the short head. 7 total reps. Switch up to a hammer curl. Nice strict form on this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah. Finish strong. 7 pinwheel curls alternating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, that's good. Killer bicep pump, guys. Let's see what the tape measure says. So I was 17.25 inches. And the balloon method workouts are all about training smarter. Train smarter than last time. I know Greg Doucette tells you guys to train harder than last time. That is incredible advice. I'm gonna tell you guys to also train smarter than last time. And if you're going to the gym, why not maximize the only 3 science-backed ways you can build muscle? Why not see the most gain from every single minute spent in the gym? So I'm not even in the gym. I'm in the Mojave Desert. Not as big as I thought it would be. We are at 17, a little more than 17 and 1/2 inch. So about 17 and 5/8 of an inch. So in only 15 minutes, my biceps grew more than 1/4 of an inch. So pretty noticeable difference from the very start of the video to right now. So give this video a giant thumbs up for Kitty Gaines risking her life in the middle of the Mojave Desert, forced into being the videographer for the channel for another video. Just to give you guys a little life update, the reason that I'm actually in the middle of nowhere in the Mojave Desert, and the reason that I'm there is because we're actually moving from Los Angeles all the way to Las Vegas in about a month. So the move is for a few different reasons. For tax reasons, there's no state tax in Nevada. The cost of living is way cheaper, so we'll be renting a home like 3 times the size of our current home and paying less money. And it's just the best overall location for my company Elfline to continue to grow and thrive in the fitness industry. And last but not least, I'm so excited to announce I just launched my brand new website, Superhuman Fitness. The best way to use superhumanfitness.com is to tap below and take the 1-minute dream physique quiz to pair yourself with the perfect superhuman training program for your exact physique goal.
You ain't got no gains. You ain't lift no weights.